this is Harshkar from Android Solution. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can play PUBG at extreme graphics. So in your low-end devices, if you go to graphics, there is no option of extreme graphics, and if you choose the HD one, you will get this error every time. So now what you have to do is to download a simple app from Play Store called GFX tool. Type in your Play Store and install it. And guys, one thing more, using this GFX tool may lead to banning of your account. So I am not responsible if your account got banned, but if you will use this trick, your account might not get banned. So open it and select your current PUBG version. Choose the resolution to the lowest one so that it does not lag in your device. Choose the graphics to HD. FPS choose to 60 FPS. Anti-aliasing disable it, and in style keep it realistic. Accept it and run. It will run your game. Now you can see the option of extreme graphics and HD. After this, you have to just uninstall this GFX tool and make sure that you never change your graphics settings again so that PUBG don't ban you. So guys, that's it in this video.